Alright, YouTube, I just went on the Catwoman whip. If I show you the sign right there, you can see we actually have a whip there. And if you look, right there, there's an actual statue of Catwoman. Right there with the whip. I'll zoom in on it if I can get it. And it's a good ride, not as good as the Bizarre ride. But if you're 10 years old or older and you want to ride, because this has a little bit of kick to it. This is definitely a good fun ride, definitely a good starting ride. Highly recommend it. So definitely check it out if you are 10 and older and watch just a little ride with a little bit of a kick to it. So this is Bob signing off. I'll see you next time I do a ride. So adios.